Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Monday, November the 16th. Well, an extremely bullish day today and a very large green-bodied candle. And the green body tells us that the buyers have made some very, very solid net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. Now, there was some very small minor downside price rejection from the extreme high of the trading day, but that's really inconsequential for this market. The bulls have been strong enough to close the market up towards the high, and that means that they've made some very solid net bullish progress for the day, that they've closed the market in control, that they've shown very strong commitment to taking this market higher. And the close of the current candle is a long way away from the close of the previous candle, which tells us that the buyers are also very keen. So a very, very nice bullish day today. We also had a change of trend to the upside, and the market is now in a second time frame uptrend where we have a trough, a peak, a higher trough, and once we took out this peak we had a higher peak, so we officially have a second time frame uptrend based on peaks and troughs, and also a first time frame uptrend with a higher high and a higher low. The market is still trading a long way up above the cloud or the Kumo, and has been for quite some time. We can see here that the market traded up above the cloud, broke out up above the cloud here, and that means that the market has an overall bullish bias, and the market is trading up above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, and the Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen, which means that the market is bullish. So a lot of very bullish indication for this market at the moment. The market also had a very strong close up above this important resistance level of 1120, and we were waiting for the market to test that level and have a strong bullish close up above that level. Now, just looking at where the market may go to, we have to look a long way back for any important resistance for this market, and it was a previous area of support, but a very strong area of support previously that was tested on at least 3 or 4 occasions. And then not long after it failed to act as support, the market rallied up and acted as resistance. So this 1179 area is a very big area for this market to trade up to. There is no resistance on the way up for this market, so if the bulls are strong enough, then they should take the market up to around that 1179 region. If the market does come off, though, there is potential for the market to find support at the Tenkan-sen. And the Tenkan-sen is pointing up very sharply, reflecting the very, very strong upside momentum that this market has. Now, quite often we see when the market builds very strong upside momentum in the short time frame, it tends to bounce back rather quickly towards that Tenkan-sen. And if that does happen, that Tenkan-sen, it's a very strong likelihood that that Tenkan-sen will hold as an area of support. So if the market does come off, we need to watch the short-term dynamics around that region, and it could offer another buying opportunity to add to long positions that traders may have in this market. If the market does sell off further past there, then we have support at this previous resistance level at 1084, which coincides roughly with where the Kijun-sen is at the moment. We know that the Kijun-sen will act as an area of support at the moment too. Now, we know also that markets move between equilibrium and disequilibrium, and the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen represent equilibrium for the market within a short time frame and a medium-term time frame. And once the market moves into a very strong level of disequilibrium, that is a long way away from those two lines, then the market will have a tendency to pull back towards them. Now, there are no signs at the moment that that will happen, but we need to be aware that that may develop at some time, but we should have some indication from reading the short-term dynamics that that may be likely to happen. Although the market is extremely bullish, very strong trending action, and the market should continue to appreciate and test the resistance level that we highlighted earlier.